What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply a matrix by a scalar. All right, so a scalar is basically just a number you multiply a whole matrix by. Okay, so here I have matrix A, right? So if I was asked to multiply matrix A by a scalar of 3, that means I would just multiply every number in here by 3, okay? So if we're going to multiply our matrix A by a scalar of 3, it would be written like that. You'd have 3A, okay? So again, that just means you're multiplying everything inside the matrix by 3. So first of all, 3 times 8, that's equal to 24, right? 3 times 5, that would be equal to 15. Here, 3 times 1 would be equal to 3. And here, 3 times 4 would be equal to 12, right? So if we multiply this matrix by a scalar of 3, that would be your answer right here. You just multiply everything in there by 3, okay? And scalars don't have to just be whole numbers. They could be also fractions or decimals, and they could be positive or negative, okay? So let's say down here, matrix B, we were asked to solve for negative 0.5b. Okay, we're multiplying, the scalar we're multiplying by is negative 0.5, okay? So again, that literally means we're just going to multiply each of these numbers in here by negative 0.5. Okay, so multiplying by 0.5, that's the same thing as multiplying by a half, or dividing by 2, whichever way you want to think about it. Okay, so here we would have negative 0.5 times 6, right? So 0.5 times 6, that's equal to 3, and a negative times a positive is a negative. So we'd have negative 3 right here. And then here, negative 0.5 times 0 would just be 0. And then down here, we have negative 5 times negative 0.5. So a negative times a negative is a positive. And 5 divided by 2 essentially is 2.5, right? Or 2.5. And then here, we would have 12 times negative 0.5. So a positive times a negative, again, is a negative. And half of 12 is just 6. Okay, so then this would be your answer right here if you multiplied matrix B by a scalar of negative 0.5. So if you found the video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any other questions or want to see any other examples, just let me know in the comment section below. Also, there's a couple playlists attached that I think you'll find helpful, so definitely check those out, and I'll see you there.